Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is a clean with me while I clean the downstairs and get dinner started in the crock pot. So if you want some cleaning motivation, stick around. Welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. It doesn't obligate you to anything. It'll just send you an email when I upload videos so you don't miss anything. Today I am doing a clean with me on the downstairs of the house, but before I get started cleaning, I'm going to get dinner started in the crock pot, and I am using the crock pot liners. I detest washing the crock pot, and it doesn't come clean in the dishwasher, so even if I soak it and put it in the dishwasher, I still end up hand washing it. So I'm just going to use the crock pot liner if I can figure out how to open it, and then I'm going to put a roast in the crock pot, which is my husband's very favorite meal ever. You can put the potatoes and carrots directly in with it. I am not doing that today. We're going to have mashed potatoes, and I haven't decided what vegetable we're going to do. But I'm getting the roast in the crock pot, and I'm going to add some beef bouillon powder, and then we're going to get started on the housework.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Okay, I'm adding some water to my Keurig, and I'm going to make a cappuccino, and then I need to get busy on the housework. It really isn't too bad. We had some family come in from out of town this weekend. Our daughter and two of our grandkids came with her this weekend to spend the weekend with us. The two grandkids were recognized for their hard work at their county fair, so they were recognized this weekend at the state fair, so they were in town. I'm using Glass Plus on the counters. You guys know how much I love my Glass Plus. I'm using Glass Plus on the counters, and I'll also use it on the stove top. I'm using the Method dish soap to clean the sink. I just like to have the sink all scrubbed out and clean. You guys have heard me talk about this before, but we thaw meat in it, we thaw other food in it, we put dirty dishes in it, we wash our hands in it, so I just never feel like I can get the sink clean enough. But that's what I'm using today, is just the Method dish soap to give the sink a good scrub.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart
I'm using the Dollar General furniture polish on the kitchen table. We obviously wipe down the table with soap after we eat, with a soapy cloth after we eat meals, but I just want to give it a good polish.
Push or pull, and I'm going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me.
We really enjoyed having our daughter and our grandkids here for the weekend. It was a lot of fun, and we spent a lot of time cuddling with each other and visiting with each other and just hanging out in the living room, watching TV and catching up. So things just need to be tidied up and put away. This is a Santa Claus blanket that Phil's working on, and I'll be sure to show that to you when he's completely done. But if I showed it to you now when he's not done, he'd probably be a little irritated with me. So you'll have to stick around for future videos to see how that turns out.
My head is spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you, you're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and I know my stain, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning for you, like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of.
I'm going to vacuum up the area rugs and the floors with my Hoover React stick vacuum, the cordless vacuum, and I have had several people ask me to do a product review on that, so I'll make that an upcoming video shortly. I do like that it goes from any surface to any surface, so I can go from the area rugs to the tile and directly onto the carpet. I do like that, and I do like the battery life on it. So stay tuned for that product review, but that's what I'm using on the floors right now.
Lies. Oh, no, I wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're laying so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep. I don't wanna argue 'cause it's never worth a fight. Oh, no, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, no, I wish I wasn't right. Whoa, the lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. The lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here, we were simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain, and I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me.
You guys, downstairs, the entire house actually was cleaned on Friday, and we are pretty meticulous about picking up after Sophie, but look at all of the dog hair in that canister. Oh my goodness, every time I see this, I'm utterly appalled by it, and I don't know why, because we've had the dog for 10 years, and this is just how she is. She's super hairy, and she burns through vacuums, but man, that is a lot of dog hair. And now I'm just going to do a quick mop. I'm going to use the Pine Sol, and this is the Bissell version of the of like a Swiffer. I like it because you can put any cleaner in the container that you want, and I like it because you can buy several of those cleaning cloths that Velcro in place. So it's far more economical than just pitching stuff into the trash. You just take it off and wash it, put it back on.
I saw you don't know that I know what's going on, but I saw. Whoa, loneliness you fade. Nothing's gonna make me stay. Loneliness you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay.
And now everything's tidied up and clean and ready for another week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. We'll talk soon. You have a great day.